Hey, what's going on? What's going on, man? Just coming at you live. $25 one up. Doing great. Everybody's getting in. Everybody's checking it out. The autoresponder is good. Like, I ain't gonna lie, when you first get in, you might not get your first $25 the first day and everything like that there. But when you get it in and you do the training as far as with the ads and everything, and if you set up the autoresponder, you're good. People need to see stuff a couple of times. You heard that again and again. Uh, how many times have you seen some commercial on something before you actually liked it or actually wanted to get it? Whether it was something from McDonald's, Wendy's, or how many times have you heard a song before you actually liked it? So people, they gotta see stuff a couple of times. So the 14-day autoresponder and all that stuff. Then actually, I'm loading up my autoresponder for 30 days because I figure 7 days is good. 14 days is great, but a whole month of just straight messages about this great program, it's gonna stop, and you can't stop. No business ever stops running. That's how they stay in. So, but the money and then the pass ups, just think, you're gonna get $25 from everybody, and then everybody who you sign up, they're gonna get their first 25, and then their second 25 gets passed up to you. So that's just another key on why everybody is making all this great money with this program. All right, so if you're not in, get in. All right, I got another video if for anybody who's having trouble getting their first sale with $25 one up. This is a great program. Automatic, instant payments, instant $25 payments, and then let me say when you go up, you get the overrides. So you get the $100 people, you get the 250 if you go up to that level, 500 if you go all in straight $500. You're good. All right, you're good, good, good. So just a great day, man. Friday right now making this video. A lot of people getting paid. A lot of people are gonna take $25 and invest in something. Some people are gonna take their $25 and buy more Christmas stuff or whatever. Do what you do, but understand everything has a consequence or everything has an end result. Whether it's somebody smile or somebody thinking they was gonna get with this and that third or whatever, and then it goes. Now, if it's something that you can continue to work on, continue to grow, continue to pay you when return investments to you, that's a winner. All right. If you're not in $25 one up and you want to get in, you want some great training and everything, the link is in the description. Peace.